Hello everyone. In the last video we already discussed how to put a name in a container. Today we are going to check some issues while using them. Let me take a look what containers do I have. I have this and these named containers. But if I create a new one using this cluster 1 up 3 Ubuntu, okay, now I have it here. Okay, but what if I don't longer needed this container? I will stop it by using the name cluster 1 up 3. Okay, but if for some reason I need it again, well, you will say I will run the same command that I just did, right? This one. But if I do this, I will have a conflict because the name was already used. But you will say, and that it is not running here, so where is it or why you are getting that error? This is because the container can exist in several states, not only running. And for checking that, we can use docker ps and the option A. And as you can see, the status for this one is excited, but still exists. That's why I can't use the same name. For doing that, I have two choices. Either I can rename it or I can remove it. And for removing it, I'm going to use docker rm cluster 1 up 3. If I execute the same command, as you can see, the container is no longer there, and I can run it and use the previous name without a problem. That's it. But if you want to avoid this process, when you execute a new container, specify the rm option. That way, if you stop it, docker stop cluster 1 up 4, I'm going to stop it, and if I want to run it again, even using the name, it works because I was specifying this option from the beginning. And this is how you can handle your container naming conventions for these purposes. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.